Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. President of the Jamaica Track and Field Coaches Association, David Riley, believes it was wrong to cancel the ISSA Boys and Girls Championships. ISSA, along with main sponsors Grace Kennedy, the Ministry of Sport and the Ministry of Health, took the decision to cancel the 2020 championships due to the confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the country. Riley, who is also the technical director of Excelsior High's athletics program, says a postponement would have been the more sensible option.
I have maintained, and the coach have maintained, that we don't have a disagreement with the champs not being held next week.
Right.
We're not saying a disagreement with that. It's a cancellation. Find another date, and the reason why you find another date is because you recognize that there is a need to protect the opportunity to compete.
Riley, who was speaking with Simon Crossgill on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, blasted the high school's sports governing body for not consulting the coaches before taking a decision.
It says a body of principles, and the posture is that the coaches, because they're employees of the school, they're not answerable to the coaches, but they're only answerable to the principals, and so they don't engage the coaches. But the coaches are the ones with the expertise. I don't understand the reasoning and the logic. If you're not on the ground doing coaching on a daily basis, you will not understand why the coaches are as disappointed as they are. You're going to think that it's selfish, but it's not. Coaches spend way more money on these athletes than money that the athletes make. And this is where the issue is. It seems as though the concern of the athletes to participate did not weigh heavily in the decision as to whether to postpone or cancel.
Now, the annual event was scheduled for March 24 to 28. The 110-year-old championships has only been cancelled on one other occasion, which was in 1944 due to World War II. ISSA President Keith Wellington on TVJ's Iron Sports on Thursday said student athletes should eye the National Junior Championships in June as an alternative. Now, all local track and field events as well as the Carifta Track and Field Championships have been cancelled or postponed until further notice. This according to a release sent out by the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the J3As. The J3As office will also remain closed. The Carifta Track and Field Championships were to have been held in Bermuda from April 10 to 13. Now, the National Stadium, the National Aquatics Centre and the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium have also been closed until further notice.